Hello guys, in this video we'll make home automation project using AWS. So let's get started. First we'll go to our AWS and we'll log in. Search IoT Core. In manage or open all devices, click on things. Click on create thing. Now we are creating a single thing, so we'll select create single thing option. Click next. Enter name. We'll enter it as home automation. Click on next. Please keep creating certificate for now. And we have created a thing successfully. Go to settings. Copy endpoint. Let's go to a Smowcode studio and start making the flow. We'll first make the flow to connect with Wi-Fi. We'll take a Wi-Fi start node to connect with Wi-Fi. Make the flow in the properties of Wi-Fi start node. We'll configure a Wi-Fi node. We'll specify a Wi-Fi SSID. We'll specify a Wi-Fi password. In the output we'll get success code. Let's make an MQTT connection. MQTT connect. We'll connect with the flow. In the MQTT connect, we'll configure a broker. In the broker, we'll pass our copied endpoint. Click on add. Now we'll make our ESP32 work as a subscriber. For that, we'll take a MQTT subscribe node, which is also an event node. We'll select our broker config and we'll specify topic as smoke. In the output, we'll get message and success flag. We'll take a display node to display message in the serial display. We pass a variable message. The message will be in a JSON format. So we'll use a JSON get node to extract LED data from it. We'll pass a JSON object message and we'll specify key as LED. Its data type will be number. Label, we'll rename the variable as label. We'll take up a write node. We'll connect with a flow. In the write node, we'll pass label. We'll pass a variable as variable number boolean. Let's save our flow, verify the flow, and upload the flow. And our flow got successfully uploaded. Let's go to AWS. Go to test MQTT test client. We'll play role as a publisher. We'll send message in the JSON format. So we'll name it as LED and we'll pass data number 1. Click on publish. We have to also specify the topic. We specify here as smoke. Here's this. Click on publish. We have to also specify as a subscriber. Subscribe. So whenever we'll publish, we can also see here the data which we have published. We'll specify here it has LED. It's value 1 and publish. And as a subscriber also we got the same data. And as you can see, our LED is the LED connected to pin 2 is glowing.